In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious watermelon salad recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 5 cups of cubed watermelon, half a cup of feta cheese, a quarter cup of pecans, 2 tablespoons of oil, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of mint, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. To the oil, we're going to add in the salt, pepper, mint, and the lemon juice and mix until completely combined. Add the oil mixture over the watermelon and mix well. Add in the feta cheese and the pecans and continue mixing. Cover with plastic wrap. We're going to place this in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Our watermelon salad is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.